And it is done, guys. Signed all my paperwork. They did the inspection. Got my check. And I am going to pull around to the side of the dealership now, and I'm going to actually give you guys one last look of Sinister 2.0. There she is. Guys, here she is. 2016 Shelby GT350 track package. Just gonna do a quick walk around of the car. She looks amazing. Absolutely amazing. White, blue racing stripes, track package car. I don't think it's unlocked yet. Yes, it is. It's got the Recaros. Yeah, looking good. Looking really good. All right, guys, this may end up being it. This may end up being it. So keep it tuned. Back in a minute. What is up, guys? Tommy here with Sinister Productions, bringing you guys another vlog. Today is a very special one for me, guys, and I'm not even joking when I tell you that today's gonna be a pretty good day. Got a lot of stuff lined up. I hope all goes through. So first of all, you heard from the startup video, I gave a sneak peek during my last video what I got. Sinister 3.0. Let's try this again. So let me unveil Sinister 3.0. I'm thinking about keeping the tags on it for now. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but here she is, my 2016 Shelby GT350 track package. And yes, I've already changed the wheels to the SVE 350R wheels. And there she is, guys. I am super stoked. Right now she is in quiet mode because, yeah, I have very close neighbors and I'm really not trying to disturb the peace on a Sunday morning. So, like I said, this is the track package car. I'm super excited to get this car. Get the Recaros, all the good stuff in it. I've already replaced the steering wheel in it because the steering wheel was matted down. So I got a nice new fresh Ford Performance steering wheel for it, factory steering wheel, and shift knob, because the shift knob did have some scarring because I did buy this car used. It's got 21,000 miles on it, but I got a hell of a deal on it, so I couldn't pass it up. Really good hell of a deal on this car. So we'll talk numbers later, but right now we got some big stuff going on right now. I'm actually heading over to my boy Lance's house. We're gonna go put some tint on this window, on the windows, get those things blacked out, looking good. And then we may or may not be heading over, I think we are heading over to see Derek over at Derek Barron Productions, and we're gonna do a vlog on this car on his channel. So keep that tuned. Go follow him if you haven't subscribed and followed him yet. And then I'm probably bringing you that vlog here also. So catch you guys in a bit. house, and we are throwing some tint. Getting ready to throw some tint on this thing. He's probably one of the best. He is probably actually the best person to do tint, any kind of tint work in the Richmond area. So, I mean, this guy is no joke. Car got really filthy on the way over here. It's great. But yeah, man, we're gonna go throw some tint on this car, and yeah, we'll go from there. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So progress update. Got the passenger side all tinted up. Got 20% tint on the passenger side. He's getting ready to. He's working on the back now, and driver's side is all done. So she's looking good. And after that, after we leave here, we're going to be hitting up Derek Barron in just a few minutes. We're going to meet up with him and do some more filming. See you in a minute. Alright guys, we are back. It is cold as shit over here at this first spot where Derek is filming my car. But it is looking good, looking pretty. Derek's getting the Ronin set up for us. Got Ben over here.
Hey.
Hey, he's Ben.
Fuck you.
It's a nice little spot right there. But alright, we're gonna get some shots over here and do a little bit more stuff. Try to stay out of the wind because it's windy as shit, especially right here in the shade. So we're gonna continue on, and we'll be back in a minute.
Hey Derek, pull your filter down over. What's up, fucking thing? Why?
Derek's working his magic. Alright guys, that is going to do it for this video. Keep it tuned here, like, subscribe, hit the bell. We got a lot more GT350 content coming at you guys soon. I'm actually getting ready. My next video is going to be on the dyno pull that I actually already had the car on the dyno, and I want to do that as my next video. So I'm going to put that one together next, and expect that in the middle of this week. And we're gonna run full steam ahead with this. So keep it tuned right here. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. Really appreciate it. Huge shout out to Derek Barron Productions for hooking me up with this brand new intro video, and go give him a follow as well. Again, Derek Barron Productions. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.